Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you haven't noticed, this is Moses, aka Tom Speech in there. Break it down. So today we want to talk about candlesticks. Yeah, that's right. We're gonna be talking about candlestick today. The type of candlestick we have: the doji candlestick, the pin bar, the spinning top, the bullish, the bearish, and all other candlestick. Those are what we're gonna be discussing today. So before we go further, please do me a favor, like this video and click the subscribe button. I know it doesn't take you anything to do that. So please, please, please do that favor for me. Please do me that favor. Click the subscribe button and like the video. So without further ado, let's dive into it. Now let me bring out my brush. I need to bring out my brush so that we can identify the candlesticks. So the first thing we want to note is the bearish candlestick. Now look over here. This is the bearish candlestick. And you can see these are the top saying bearish candlestick. Why do I call it bearish candlestick? Because number one, the candlestick is reddish in color. So most bearish candlestick are reddish. So whenever the market is falling, whenever the market is going down, so that means we are on a bearish downtrend. So because the market will be moving downward. So if you think a currency is falling, you sell the currency, you open a short position, and when you sell, that means the market is going bearish. Okay, and this is a good example of bearish candlestick. Yeah, this is a good example of that reddish candlestick you're looking at is a good example of bearish candlestick. And this trend you're looking at here, this trend shows a downtrend market, a bearish trend market. So whenever you have someone saying, oh, the market is going bearish, and you might be thinking, what do you mean by bearish? Are you trying to say the market is going down? Yeah, that's right. So that's how we talk in Forex time. Forex time, we don't literally talk about, the market is going down, it's going up. No, we talk in Forex terms, like the market is going bearish and the market is going bullish. Now, this is a bearish trend because the market is making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and the market started pushing downward. So the market started pushing down. So that means you want to draw your trend. You just draw your support and you draw your resistance. And if you see this, the market is pointing downward. The market is pointing downward. So that means the market is a bearish market. That is, the market is moving in a downtrend. So that is a good example of the bearish market. Now, the opposite of it is the bullish market. Okay, the bullish candlestick. Now, let's talk about the bullish candlestick. So if you think a currency will rise, that is when you see a chart and you see this market is going to rise, then you buy the currency. Okay, you open for a long position. So once you open for a long position, that means you're buying. And once you're buying, the market will be going bullish. Now, a good example of a bullish candlestick is this green candlestick you're looking at it. Yeah, this green candlestick. Yeah, that's a bullish candlestick. A bullish candlestick, the trend always go up. The market always go up. Once you see the market going up with wick at the top, at the bottom, or with no wick, so that means the market is going in a bullish direction. And this is a good example of bullish candlestick. Now look at the bullish trend. Can you see the market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows? The market will continue making higher highs and higher lows. So if you want to connect your support and resistance, you see that this market is pointing to the upside. Yeah, just use an arrow and you see that the market is going up. Yeah, the market is going up. That means we are in a bullish trend. Yeah, so that simply means the market is going bullish. So every time you see a green candlestick on your chart and the market is going high, so whatever you're going to say is the market is going bullish. Not that you're just going to say the market is going up. No, that sounds neophyte. It makes you sound like you are a novice. But if you say the market is going bullish, so that means you're recognizing, the market, you're getting familiar to the market gradually. So if you say the market is going bearish, so that means I would simply analyze the channel and I'll see that the market is going down. The market is going down. So going down, that means a bearish candlestick. Going up, that is up. That is a bullish candlestick. Okay. So the same thing with trend. So once the market is forming the higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, that means a bullish trend. And if the market is going down, lower lows and lower highs, that is a bearish trend, okay? Bearish trend, bearish candlestick, bullish trend, bullish candlestick. You see that? So now let me clean this up. This is a bearish trend, and this is a bearish candlestick. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry about that. And this is a bullish trend, and this is a bullish candlestick. So now let's quickly switch to the next phase of our lesson. Okay, so we just talked about the market being bullish and the market being bearish. Now let's go for another candlestick. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause this video. Okay, I'm gonna pause this, and we're gonna go to the. Now let's quickly finalize this. Okay, we want to look at a downtrend. Okay, now let me get my brush. Let me quickly get my brush. And here is my brush. Now look at this market. The market is moving high, then low, high, low, high, low. What will you talk? What will you think about this market? Are you gonna say the market is bullish, or are you gonna say the market is bearish? But to judge that, that means you have to collect your trend line. Now let me connect my trend line, okay, and okay, because this is my support. This is my support, and this is my resistance. Now this support and resistance arrows are pointing to the downside. So what am I gonna say like that? I'm gonna say the market is going bearish. Okay, the market is going on a downtrend, it's a downtrend market. So this market is a bearish market. Because if you look at it, the market are making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this is a very good example of a downtrend market, a bearish market. So this is a bearish trend. So mostly, if you look at the chart as well, bearish candlesticks are very, very plenty. No, red, 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 red. Most of them are reddish. So that means the market is having a lot of sell, a lot of short. So the market is going on a downtrend market. So this is a good example of a downtrend market, a sell, a bearish candlestick, and a bearish trend market. So please, 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 please do me a favor. Like this video, click the subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you do that. So we're going to be talking extensively about candlesticks. So I want to simplify it. So in our next lesson, we'll be talking about another candlestick and about also the key levels and all other things. So please stay tuned and do me that favor. Like this video and click the subscribe button. Thank you very much.
Music, please. I'm so cool, but I'm so high that I'm